What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Derschutze live cop. So in today's drop, there's going to be the Faces V2 backpack as well as the Painter version 3 hoodie, t-shirt, and crew neck. So we're going to be going for the 3 items with the paint splatter that goes around the whole piece. That's such a great use of the embroidery. So I'm really looking forward to hopefully copying a few pairs of that. We have 20 seconds till the drop. All right, and it's live. It's a little early of a drop. We're going to open each tab. We're gonna add to cart. We're gonna be getting large. And we're gonna get one of each. All right, we're gonna go to the cart. And now we're gonna try to check out with PayPal. All right, it's currently loading. All right. Still processing right now. Continue the payment. We have the 3 items in the cart. All 3 are large. And we're going to complete the order now. The order is now being processed. Our purchase has been confirmed. We did cop. Excellent. So we did get one of each item. So I'm very happy about that because it's such a dope embroidery piece with the paint splatter all around the piece. So thank you guys for watching today's live cop video. If you guys have not yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out this video that YouTube recommends that you watch. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Derschutze live cop video. Peace.